𝐿𝐻𝑔 Mini Smart is a revolutionary packaging machine that stands out for its small size, making it ideal for optimizing space in your work environment. Ideal for packaging small products in small bags. Despite its compact size, the machine offers high performance and great flexibility, adapting to pack a wide range of products: snacks, dried fruit, legumes, candies, granular products, non-food, bolts, screws, small plastic materials and much more. The packaging machine is equipped with a touchscreen display that allows you to view and save different recipes on a USB stick. Various loading systems are possible. The machine can be used with manual loading by directly inserting the product and then pressing the pedal to seal the bag. Alternatively, it can be used with a step-by-step belt system. It can also be directly equipped with a linear weighing system. In addition, it can be combined with our 𝐻𝑔-𝐒𝐦𝑧𝐢 to completely automate the packaging process. For even faster and more efficient production, we use a Mini multi-head, which can reach a mechanical speed of approximately 40 beats per minute for granular products and small sweets. 𝐻𝑔 Mini Smart creates small pillow or square bottom bags using a heat-sealable film reel with a width of up to 330 millimeters. The resulting packages are strong, elegant and perfectly sealed, for an impeccable product presentation. We offer the possibility to customize the 𝐻𝑔 Mini Smart with various options to meet the specific needs of each customer. The convenient wheels allow the machine to be moved easily, while the internal lighting and the adjustable integrated exit belt guarantee efficient operation. Designed and manufactured in Italy, directly in our factory in the province of Vicenza, near Venice. For more information, visit our video channel and our official website, www.𝐻𝑔-𝐒𝐦𝑧𝐢 C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.